We are going to discuss about polynomials. Poly means many, nomials means terms. So in general, polynomials means many terms. If an algebraic expression is going to have many terms, then it is called polynomials. Based on the number of terms, you can classify polynomials into various types. If there is only one term, it is called monomial. If there are two terms, it is called binomial. If there are three terms, it is called trinomial. In general, they are all called as polynomials, but if there is only one term, it is called a monomial, two terms, it is called a binomial, three terms, it is called trinomial. In general, they are called as polynomials. Now, monomial, I will give you one example. You just see this. A power 5. I will write 2a power 5. Now, this number 2 is the coefficient of this a power 5. This 2a power 5 is one single term. A is the variable there, it is raised to the power 5 and 2 is the coefficient. Now, there can be any number of variables, but it should not have any separation by plus or minus symbol. Now you can see that there is only one term here. So this coefficient can take any value, it can be any real number, but in polynomial, the variable should not have negative terms as power. It should have only, it cannot even have rational numbers as power. For example, this is not allowed. This is not allowed. X to the power of 1 by 2 is not allowed. X to the power of minus 2 is not allowed. The powers of all the variables should be positive integers only. Only positive integers are allowed to be the powers of the variable. If you have some other powers like rational numbers or negative integers, then that is not a polynomial. Polynomial can have any number as its coefficient. It can take any real number. For example, it can be root 2 or 0.25 or it can be any number. But when you consider the variable, the power should always be a positive integer only. It cannot take rational numbers or negative numbers. Okay. Now with that, this is a monomial. I will give you one example for binomial. X squared plus 2xy. Then for trinomial, a cube plus 3a squared b plus b cube. Now you can see in the second example, there are two terms separated by a plus symbol. This is one term and this is another term. In trinomial, there are three terms separated by plus symbol. I will give you one more example. This is also accepted. 2xy squared minus 3xz plus 4. Minus symbol also can be there between two terms. It is not alone plus symbol, there can be minus symbol also. But in general, plus or minus symbols are going to be the separators between the terms. Here you can see three terms, so it is trinomial. Here you can see three terms again, so it is trinomial. In general, whatever be the number of terms, you consider a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Like this, any algebraic expression having many terms is called polynomials. A polynomial can have any number of terms, but based on the degree, they are again given certain names. They are classified into certain types based on the degree. First I will explain to you what is degree. You consider this example, 100x squared y plus, or let me take a simple example for you to first understand. Let us take x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now this is a polynomial in the variable x. This is a polynomial, there is only one variable x. Now you see the powers of the variable x. In this term, the power of the variable x is 2. In this term, power of the variable x is 1. And in this term, the power of the variable x is 0. X power 0 is 1. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. That is why it is not there. So it becomes a constant term. This is a constant term. Now, in this, what is the highest power of the variable? That is called degree. Degree is nothing but highest power of the variable in a given polynomial. So we can see in the example which I have given, now the highest power of the variable is 2. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. Like that, I will give you one example for each. Now you consider this 2x plus 3. Then the second one I will take the same example, x squared plus 2x plus 1, x cubed minus 3x squared plus 7x minus 2, x power 4 minus 2x squared plus 17. Then it can go on. Now we will discuss the first 4 types alone, because in class 10 we are going to have maximum only up to power 4. So we will know the names of these polynomials based on their degree. Now when you see, I will first write the degree for you. When you see this polynomial, the highest power of the variable here is 1, so the degree is 1. Then when you see the second example, the highest power of the variable is 2, so the degree of this polynomial is 2. When you see the third one, the highest power of the variable here is 3, so the degree of this polynomial is 3. And when you see this one, the highest power of the variable is 4, so the degree is 4. So based on the degree, we have special names for the polynomials. Now, a polynomial of degree 1 is called as linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called as quadratic polynomial. Then a polynomial of degree 3 is called as cubic polynomial. And a polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic, or you can also call it as quartic. Normally we call it as quadratic. Some places we also call it as quartic. But easy to remember is, since it is 2 times of 2, 2 into 2 is 4. 2, when it is power 2, degree 2, it is quadratic. Since it is 2 times of that, we call it as biquadratic. So if we have degree 1, it is linear polynomial, degree 2, it is quadratic polynomial, degree 3, then it is cubic polynomial, degree 4, it is biquadratic polynomial.